Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 13th of February. And first of all, national news. Army opened fire as Pak drones spotted near border in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch. Security personnel electrocuted during anti-Maoist operation in Telangana. SpiceJet to lay off 1,400 employees, save $12 million annually, a report said. Elaborate arrangements have been made to seal the Punjab Haryana borders regarding farmers' protest. Special day for friendly nations, PM Modi on UPI services launch in Sri Lanka, Mauritius. Aviation bodies guidelines for runway incursion after Japan plane crash. President Draupadi Murmu addressed 200th birth anniversary celebrations of Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati in Gujarat. PM Narendra Modi distributed 1 lakh appointment letters to newly inducted recruits. Home Minister Amit Shah said India to be at top of world by year 2047. Finance Minister attended customary post-budget meeting with Central Board of Directors of the RBI. Army Chief General Manoj Pandey embarked on official visit to USA. Now some international news. New book revealed what may have prompted Elon Musk to buy Twitter. US President Joe Biden joined TikTok ahead of 2024 election. US banned artificial intelligence powered voice robocalls. For 800 years, a river of lava flowed silently beneath an Iceland town. Israel said two of its hostages rescued in raid in Rafah. Qatar court released all 8 former Indian Navy personnel in its custody. Yemen's Houthi rebels suspected of missile attack targeting a ship in the Bab el Mandeb Strait. NATO chief said Trump's comments on a burning alliance endangers US and European troops. And now some sports news. Sumit Nagal jumped 23 places to break into top 100 of ATP singles rankings. Focus on men's team PV Sindhu as India chased glory at BATC. Defending champions Brazil failed to qualify for Paris Olympics after losing to Argentina. And for the third time in the last 7 months, Australia defeated India in an ICC final. Deepa Karmakar prepared to compete in the World Gymnastics Championships in Cairo. Now, business related news. Retail inflation is to 3 month low of 5.1% in January. India's industrial production grew 3.8% in December 2023. RBI governor said hardly any room to review regulatory action against Paytm Payments Bank. And that's all in news. Thank you.